Hello, Miss Rita.
Hello, Jello. Hinay kita tingog. Dapat ako ni MC ha?
Sige, balita.
Hello, candidate number 8. Dili bagay.
Sige, bagay na. Sige.
Mas bagay ko dili mabaha. To the board of judges.
Judges, deduction.
Okay ra. Oh.
How are you tonight, candidate number 8?
I am feeling good. I am here to enjoy and I'm here.
I've heard na morang simpa mo kung love life ron.
Wala ko'y uyab. Actually, I do have 37 boyfriends. Nasa eskwelahan.
So your students, di ay.
Nasa na nag-dorm. Oh, nabat ko na nanao dili ako to exempted sa semifinals unta.
Buotan nga maestra. Maestro di ay. Ay,
Maestra,
lang.
oy, babae biyo.
Ha?
Before I will pick my question, ladies and gentlemen, I am very beautiful tonight.
Yes, we're all beautiful. Wala may gihimong bati ang
Thank you
Ginoo.
so much to Larry Ledesma for making me beautiful today. Panagsan na tamo bapa. Bapa na mo make up, Kiefer. That's their opinion. This is me.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8.
Thank you.
Di ba tayo mag-question?
Wala ba na? Wala ba na? Who am I?
Please speak your question now.
Shodi Dosel, yatani.
Nagkurog lagi ka, Mr. Inot.
Ako sa imo basa.
Go ahead.
Nathan. Tinuot ko. Undang na lang ko magka-maestro. Mauna yung pangutana, oy.
Okay. Willing pa kang ma-answer sa imong question?
Ready.
Willing pa ba ka di? The question is answerable by yes or no?
Probably yes. Most probably no. Advance Happy Fiesta Arpili. The
You're-
question is, can money buy happiness?
Yes. Taga na.
Can you repeat the
Okay.
question?
Candidate number 8. Can money buy happiness?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, pertaining back to the question goes like this. Can money buy happiness? In some ways, it could be. But in my own opinion, it cannot. Because the people that surrounds me is happiness already. And they are not paying me. And with that,